So hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I just wanted to share a quick tip with you. I don't know if you guys have heard about it yet, but the Nhtsa entered a probe, and it has to do with a 2013 to 2015 Honda Accord. And I guess they're saying 1.1 million vehicles can be affected. I guess what happens is when people are just driving straight for no reason at all, the steering wheel will jerk to the right or left and cause you to run off the road. I guess there's already been a couple cases of this that's happened. So I just wanted to share the information with you. It's an ongoing thing that they're investigating, so nothing's come out yet as far as Honda's action on it. But if you own one of those cars, I would definitely be on the lookout for some information coming very shortly, because a lot of times they'll do recalls with things like this. Definitely when it's safety related, hence what a recall is about. So I just wanted to share that with you. If you have it, hopefully you guys haven't experienced that if you do own those vehicles, but something to just pay attention to, search on the internet in the coming weeks, because they do things pretty quickly when they get involved, because it's all about highway safety. So just wanted to share a quick tip. Like I said, let me know if you guys heard about it yet. If any of you experienced anything like that. I know the newer ones, they have the sensors going off all the time, and sometimes they brake for you automatically and there's nothing even there. So just something to pay attention to. We know that the more technology is involved, usually the more issues that come out too later on. So hopefully not, but I guess time will tell. So hope everyone's doing good out there, staying safe. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below as always. I appreciate it. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody, and stay safe.